Welcome to the Astrid Quiz channel, an interactive platform offering fast-paced quizzes designed to challenge and stimulate critical thinking. Only the top 1% can get half of the questions right. And without any further intro, let the show begin.
What planet do we live on? That's easy, Earth. How many legs does a butterfly have? A butterfly has 6 legs. What color are Smurfs? Smurfs are blue in color. Which vegetable is famous for helping you see in the dark? It's a carrot. How many hours are in half a day? We have 12 hours in half a day. What do bees collect from flowers? Bees collect nectar. Which continent is the country of Egypt located on? Africa. What do you call the baby of a cat? Cat babies are called kittens. What color is an emerald gemstone? It's green. How many wheels does a car usually have? A car has 4 wheels. Which month comes after February? March. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra is the capital. Which animal is known as man's best friend? A dog. What is 20 minus 5? $15. What type of fruit is known as the king of berries? Plantain. Which famous tower can be found in Paris? The Eiffel Tower is famous in Paris. What color do you get by mixing red and yellow? You get color orange. How many eyes do most spiders have? They have 8 eyes. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital. What part of the body helps you smell? Nose does the job. What gas do humans breathe out? It's carbon dioxide. Who invented the airplane? It was the Wright brothers. What is the capital of Portugal? Lisbon is the capital. What part of a plant absorbs water from the soil? The roots absorb water. Who Who was the first man to climb Mount Everest? Sir Edmund Hillary was the first. How many hearts does an octopus have? An octopus has 3 hearts. What is 8 times 9? 72. Which type of animal can live both on land and in water? Amphibian animals. Which Italian city is famous for its canals? Venice is famous for its canals. Who wrote the famous book The Odyssey? It was Homer. What is the human body's largest organ? Skin is the largest organ by area. Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? Finland. Which chemical element has the symbol Na? It's sodium. Which sport uses a net, shuttlecock, and racket? Badminton. What type of animal was Baloo in the Jungle Book? A bear. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? Cocoa beans are the main ingredient. Who discovered that Earth orbits the Sun? It was Nicholas Copernicus. What is the longest river in the United States? Missouri River. What kind of energy comes from moving air? Wind energy. Which metal is most commonly used to make coins? Copper is used to make coins. Who developed the first successful smallpox vaccine? It was Edward Jenner. What is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide? CO2. Which ocean is the smallest by surface area? Arctic Ocean is the smallest. What is the square root of 256? (16). Who was the first woman in history to win 2 Nobel Prizes? Marie Curie was the first. What is the capital city of Chile? Santiago is the capital. What is the only mammal capable of laying eggs? A platypus. Which scientist is known for the theory of evolution by natural selection? It's Charles Darwin. Which metal has the chemical symbol Ag? Silver. Which planet rotates on its side? Uranus. What is the fastest land reptile? A spiny-tailed iguana is the fastest. What year did the American Civil War end? The war ended in 1865. Which is the only continent with no reptiles or snakes? Antarctica is the only continent. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? Ural Mountains. What is 15% of 600? $90. Which gas causes the fizz in soft drinks? It's carbon dioxide. What is the deepest lake in the world? Lake Baikal is the deepest. What scientist discovered the electron? It was J.J. Thomson. Which empire built the famous city of Tenochtitlan? The Aztec Empire. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? (300,000 kilometers per second). So did you get most of these right? Tell me in the comments, and also click the thumbs up if you were able to guess everything correctly. I hope you had fun. If you made it this far, thanks for watching.